Hi, in front of me I have myPhone packet, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery from this device. Let's start by opening the back cover, and to do it we need to pick up the phone and find a small opening right here in the corner, and we can use it to pry open the back cover like this, and now we can go all around the device and open it. Oh, slippery phone. After some struggle, it should come off like this. Now we can place our phone right here. And here we have the battery in its all glory. And to remove it, we just need to use this opening right here on the bottom, right here, and lift it towards us. It's holding tight, so it might take a few tries, but after a few tries you can see it was removed. And now we can put it back in by just inserting it this side upwards like that, and sliding it in completely. Now we can turn around the phone and see if it's gonna turn on. And as you can see, it's working. And that's how you remove the battery from this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.